Come in. I'm Carbage Can, here to bring some order back to your life on the road. At a glance, I may look like an ordinary trash can, but I'm so much more. I'm the world's first no-spill, non-intrusive trash can for your car. Other trash cans get in the way or don't hold up to the rigors of the road. I stay out of your way while keeping your floorboards and the environment clean. When you make a turn, I won't topple over. My revolutionary patented design keeps me fastened tight to your floor mat using 2 small clips, keeping your trash in place, your car as neat as it can be. I can be installed in any area of your vehicle quickly and easily for you and your passengers' convenience. I'm lightweight and compact, giving everyone plenty of legroom, but I fit tons of trash as well. I'm made of 100% recycled plastic, and I'm designed to use all your old plastic shopping bags. Plus, I can store additional bags. To install me in your car, simply insert a plastic bag, folding under any excess material for a neater look. Use the plastic bezel to keep your bag in place. Attach the clip me out, just pull me off my clips and put me in a safe place until you need me again. Whether you're on the road one day or every day, I'll be here, preserving your sanity and cleanliness for the long haul. I've come to you, Kickstarter, for help. The funds we raise will cover the costs of molds for manufacturing, marketing, and distributing the first run of Carbage Can. Your contributions make all the difference. Please tell all your friends while you're at it. Thank you for stopping by.